Okay, all I think it should be ready. Hooked up the propane, the battery, put the correct oil. Now you want to turn this button to on. You can see the panel will light up. It will tell you. Right now it's telling me it's on empty, and then this one is on low, and I already put this one here. You can do it, start it 3 ways, either the manual push button push button here, and do the convenient way to start it with the remote, or the hard way, you can pull that one to start. Okay, let's see. There you go, started right up. This one, I think it's in the 62 decibel according to the manual. My Westinghouse iGen 4500 DF, I believe that one is 58 decibel. So really not much difference on the noise. It's not as quiet as the more expensive ones, for sure, but for the money, $1,000, I don't think you can beat that one with that much wattage. Oops, wrong side. 7100 and 5700 using gasoline, and 6400, 5100 watts using propane. Easy to carry. I'm a short guy, 145 pounds, and I can just carry this, lug this around with me because it has tires in the back and this handle over here. Similar to the iGen Westinghouse. Again, the only difference is between the two is this one is more horsepower. I'm sorry, wattage, and almost the same price when it's not on sale. The other one I paid almost I think $12.99 plus tax. It was on sale, and this one I paid $1,000 because it's $300 off. So I'm gonna let this run for a few hours, maybe today, and then a few more tomorrow. I have to follow the break-in period for this, and hopefully you enjoy this video.